Alright, so we're going to make a landscape, and to do that we need to have a horizon line. That's the line between the ground and the sky. So we just fold the paper all the way up to the edge and push it down. I like to hold it up a little bit so that I can draw my line right on the fold. Alright, now everything under the horizon line is the ground, and above it is the sky. We're going to draw a triangle from the horizon line to the bottom of the page, and that is going to be our road. If you would like to draw mountains going up into the sky, that is just triangles going above the horizon line. Or you could also draw a rainbow, and that'll be a big curved line, and then a bunch of other little curved lines there. And you can put it even in rainbow order, so Roy G. Biv, so R-O-Y-G-B-I-V. Okay, there we go. All right, now we're going to draw some trees. So that's going to be two vertical lines and then kind of an oval line. All right, now we're going to make trees that are further in the background. So we're going to make them smaller because things that are big are closer and things that are further away are smaller. Closer is bigger, further away is smaller. Okay, so when it's down on the page and it's big, it's closer. And when it's up on the page and small, it is far away. So again, I just draw a tree with some straight lines and kind of a wiggly oval. Erase my horizon line. And I'm going to draw one over here, way back in the background, and erase my horizon line. And I'm going to draw a bigger tree over here. Because it's bigger and it's lower on the page, it is closer to us, and erase my horizon line. Always want to make sure we erase our horizon line inside our trees. So I've done that for all of my trees there. Okay, then I'm going to add some clouds up in the sky, and that's just some curly lines in the background there. And some other curly lines just to add some clouds. So you can add a few clouds or lots of clouds or no clouds. It is totally up to you. You can add a few trees or lots of trees or only one tree. It's up to you. You can add a mountain, but you have to have a horizon line. Now we're going to color in. The first thing I want you to color in is the road lines. So a little line, a medium line, and a long line going right down the middle of your triangle. Make those nice thick yellow lines so that they show up. And now you're just going to fill in the whole thing neatly and completely with your crayons, using all the colors that you have available to you in your crayon box. I'm going to speed up now so you can see how this gets colored in all the way neatly and completely. All right, so as you can see, I'm finishing coloring everything in, and I cannot wait to see yours. Remember, you can add whatever details you like to your landscape. It is up to you on how you color it in and what details you add. All right, here's my landscape. I think it looks pretty great, and I know yours is going to look fantastic.